YouTube, what's cracking like a jacket smacking, man? You already know who it is. Back with another video. Today, obviously, you see I'm in the kitchen. Today, we are making a seafood boil. But anyways, before we get into it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, man. We just hit 127. Let's get it. Let's get into it. All right, so right here we have the shrimp and the crab in the bowl. We have eggs, butter, minced garlic, white corn. This is our spices, our seasoning. We got potatoes, smoked sausage. We got chicken broth, chili sauce, Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and we got Alfredo sauce.
Now you want to get a pan, add some olive oil, get your pan hot, then you want to add your sausage. Don't clean your pan because we are going to save this for later. To my pot of water, I'll be adding garlic, parsley, minced onion, bell pepper, and butter. Please remember to wash your hands between touching each ingredient. Alright, now I think it's time we squeeze some lemon into the pot. After squeezing the lemon into the pot, discard the lemon into the pot to extract all the flavor. Let's add our spices now. I used a mixture my parents taught me, but you can use Old Bay or Louisiana spices. I stirred my spices in to get a good consistency in my water, which helps to promote the boiling process. Let's add our potatoes and let's add our corn. I added a half dozen eggs. Now you want to add your Worcestershire sauce and your chicken broth. Remember that sausage that we blackened? You want to add that to the pot. Now that we've reached the boil, let's add our crab and our shrimp. Remember that pot? Now I add 2 sticks of unsalted butter over medium to high heat. Stir vigorously to remove the flavor for the bottom of the pot. Now you're adding minced garlic, now we add the trinity: bell pepper, onion, garlic, celery, and I also added parsley for the color. Now you want to bring it to a consistency of almost translucent. Now you want to add your sweet chili sauce and your herbs. Now you want to add 1 entire jar of Alfredo sauce. Boom, now we have our sauce. Now you want to go ahead and add that sauce over the top. And there we have it. Dinner is ready.
All right, y'all, and that's how you make a seafood boil, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. We just hit 127, man. Let's get it.